sign itself.
Oh.
So
I know it's
red, white, and what if this one was missing, or if it was covered in branches and you couldn't see it? How would you know to stop here if it was missing? If you knew the third color on the stop sign, you'd know that you should stop here. It's the back of the stop sign.
Oh, yeah, I should have thought of that one. Actually, yeah. That makes a lot of sense now.
And then when you're driving along, if you're looking for the third color on the stop sign, it keeps your eyes moving.
Yeah.
And able to identify all the side roads. Also, the green signs do, that helps. We're going to make a left turn. Now I'm going to show you a completely useless stop sign.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
As far as I'm concerned. Might have some use, but I'm not sure what it would be. Yeah. People, dogs, babies.
Yeah, we try. We try to go around.
Perfect. I am calm and confident behind the wheel. So when we get to the stop sign, you tell me which way we're going to go.
Where are we gonna go?
Yeah. Yeah, it's the only way we can go.
There's only one way we can go here.
So why is there a stop sign here? It's just a corner.
Yeah, I don't. That is really weird.
It is weird. I'm thinking maybe the parents or something here that had maybe kids playing in that little area.
Yeah, like the only reason I'd see that stop sign becoming useful is just because of the fact that people like to speed on side roads and just man, there's kids that play.
Kids around here, yeah, that's probably it.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that was the case.
Makes sense. So I'm gonna keep going straight here for a bit.
Damn Sudbury roads.
And then we're gonna make the first left turn coming up.
Alright.
Yeah, yield signs. There's 3 colors on yield signs too.
Yeah, that would be the exact same colors.
Yep. That just kind of helps to expand your field of vision when you're driving.
I actually like that. It's really useful tip for that actually. Because then if it could be covered in snow.